Hi there! Let's learn simple English while shopping for fruits and vegetables. Just listen and repeat after me.
You look happy today.
Yes, I love shopping for fruits.
Fruits make everyone happy. Hi, do you have fresh oranges today?
Yes, very fresh. Want to try one?
Smells so good. I'll take some. I want some bananas, please.
Yeah. Here you go, nice and sweet.
Here you go, nice and sweet.
Thank you so much.
How much for these tomatoes?
$1 a bag.
Oh, that's cheap. I'll take 2 bags.
Good choice. Do you have any carrots left?
Just a few, fresh from the farm.
Perfect, I'll take them all.
Lucky timing. Need help with anything?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Which apples are sweeter?
Wow, so many colors here.
Yes, fresh every morning. All
Alright.
set.
I'll take some grapes and cucumbers.
Coming right up.
These strawberries look amazing. Oh,
Yes, picked this morning.
I'll buy 1 box, please.
Sure, that's a good pick.
Hello? How much are these apples?
They're $2 a kilo.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure, here you go.